Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are moving to the next part of the topic adjustment in closed accounts. And in this video, we are going to learn about the different problems asked in the board exams by CBSE. So I brought two different problems, and one problem is from the question 2018 and another from the last exam 2020. And my dear students, in this video, we are going to watch how to write the adjusting entries for the items omitted separately. Here in the first video related to the adjustment in closed account, we learned how to write the single adjusting entry, only one adjusting entry for whatever may be the items omitted. In the second case, we are writing separate adjusting entries, single adjusting entries for all items omitted. So you are going to watch that problem also in this video. So please watch the whole video from the beginning up to the end to learn with the problems, interacting with all the problems and solutions. First of all, we have to watch one problem from the last year board exam, last 2018 board exam. So the question was that Priya and Beena are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. Following was the balance sheet of the firm on 31st March 2016. Sundry assets on lakh 20,000 and capital on the liability side, Priya 80,000, Beena 40,000. The profit for that year, 31st March 2016 was rupees 30,000 and were divided between the partners without allowing interest on capital. So the profit was shared, already shared, but without adjusting the interest on capital 12% per annum. And also one item forgotten, salary to Priya at the rate of rupees 1000 per month. During the year, Priya withdraws rupees 8,000 and Beena withdraws 4,000. No need to calculate interest on drawings. So how to write the adjusting entry, the rectifying entry for this case? Already these type of problems we have learned in the first video lesson. If you didn't watch, please go through that video that is available in my channel. So we have to learn how to solve this problem to write the entry, write the adjusting entry in the next year beginning. So we are moving to the solution. The capital of the closing year is given. We need here the capital of closing year is given 80,000 and 40,000. But to calculate the interest on capital, we need the opening capital. We need the opening capital. So here we are going to learn how to find out the opening capital. Actually already we have learned. Again we are learning how to calculate the opening capital. So closing capital of Priya 80,000, which is available in the balance sheet, Beena 40,000. And we have to add drawings. We have to add drawings 8,000 and 4,000. And also we have to deduct what is the amount of profit shared for both partners as per the ratio. So less profit, the profit of 30,000 is shared in between them in the profit sharing ratio 18,000 and 12,000. So the remaining amount is their opening capital. Their opening capital 70,000 and 32,000. And 12% is the interest on capital. 70,000 into 12%, 70,000 into 12 by 100, the amount will be 8,400. And Bina's opening capital 32,000 into 12 percentage. 32,000 into 12 by 100, 3,840. So through this way, we have to find out the interest on capital, because opening capital is not given in the question. Only the capital at the end of the year in the balance sheet is given. So we have calculated the interest on capital. Then we have to move to the adjustment table. We have to move to the adjustment table. So first we are writing the omitted item interest on capital for Priya 8,400, credit balance Bina 3,840, and the total will be 12,240. And Priya's salary, it was 1,000 per month. So the omitted item 1,000 into 12 for the whole year 12,000. That is also written here 12,000. No amount of salary for Bina or commission. Then we are finding out the total 8,400 plus 12,000, 20,400. 8,400 plus 12,000. Here no item to add, so we are writing 3,840, and the total is 24,240. After finding out the total of interest on capital and salary, we are sharing the 24,240 in their profit sharing ratio. 24,240 is shared here. The debit balance loss is divided in between the partners in their PSR, profit sharing ratio. So as per the ratio, Priya will get 14,544, Bina 9,696, and we are finding out the difference between these two amounts. Then we will get 5,856 credit balance for Priya, and for Bina 5,856 debit balance. So it is very easy to write the journal entry from these values, and the journal entry will be like this. Bina's capital is debited, amount 5,856. Priya's capital is credited, 5,856. So this is the rectifying entry for the omission of interest on capital and Priya's salary. Then we have to write in the next financial year's capital account. So please remember, it is the question from 2018 board exam, and we are going to watch what is the last year's 2020's board exam question. Dear students, this is the question asked in the last year 2020 board exam. The question is, Puneet and Akshara were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. The following was the balance sheet of the firm as on 31st March 2019. Balance sheet, it shows Puneet's capital, Akshara's capital. Puneet 90,000, Akshara 1,10,000, and total 2 lakh. And the asset side shows sundry assets 2 lakh. And let us look what is the item omitted. The profit was 40,000 for the year 31st March 2019, and it's divided between the partners without adjusting interest on capital 5% and commission to Akshara 1,000 per quarter. The drawings of the partners were Puneet 2,500 per month, Akshara 10,000 per quarter. So remember how to find out the whole year value if it is given in quarter and if it is given in month. And what is the variation between the previous year's question? Here, capital, interest on capital percentage is varied. Instead of salary, commission comes, and commission is 1,000 per quarter. There in the previous question, commission, instead of commission, salary is there. Salary per month is given, and the amount of drawings also given in year in the previous problem. But here it is per month for Puneet and Akshara 10,000 per quarter. So we have to find out here also no opening capital is given. Instead of that, the closing capital in the balance sheet is given. So we have to find out the value of opening capital first. So the calculation of opening capital. Here we are calculating the opening capital. The closing capital amount is 90,000 for Puneet, 1,10,000 for Akshara. And the amount of drawings, we have to add drawings, odd drawings with the closing capital. Puneet 30,000 and Akshara 40,000. Then we have to deduct profit shared in between the partners less profit 16,000, 24,000. It's a negative value that is shown inside the bracket. So profit is deducted. Then we will get the opening capital of Puneet 1,04,000 and for Akshara 1,26,000. So it's the normal procedure to find out the opening capital. Then we are finding out the interest on capital for Puneet 1,04,000 into 5%, 1,04,000 into 5 by 100, 5,200. And for Akshara, 1,26,000 into 5 by 100, 6,300. So we have calculated what is the value of interest on capital for each partner. Then we are entering in the adjustment table. Interest on capital for Puneet 5,200, Akshara 6,300. Commission for Puneet 4,000. Then debit value, profit shared in between these partners 6,200, 9,300. Then we will get the difference. 5,200, 6,200, 1,000 debit balance, 6,300 plus 4,000, 10,300 minus 9,300, 1,000 credit balance. So in this way we will get the net effect value, the change, the difference value. Then we have to write the entry. Puneet's capital debtor 1,000 to Akshara's capital 1,000. So this is the problem asked in the last year's board exam. So dear students, writing these type of adjusting entries is very simple. We have to keep in your mind a logic how to find out the values missing and how to draw the adjusting table, how to find out the net effect value. So in this way, we can write a single adjusting entry for each item. What are maybe the items omitted in the accounts of partners. Then we are moving to the next case. How we have to write the separate adjusting entries for each error or omission in the accounts. So how to write the separate adjusting entries? Actually, the separate adjusting entries are prepared based on or with the support of an account known as profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account. So remember how to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account. Here, the item omitted is like interest on capital, salary or commission. We have to pass on journal entry. So first of all, we have to work out the amount of omitted items that are to be credited to partners' capital, such as interest on capital, salary to partner, commission to partner, etc. Then we have to pass on adjusting entry for the item omitted, profit and loss adjustment account debtor to partners' capital account. Profit and loss adjustment account debtor to partners' capital account. So remember, how to write the item. Suppose interest on capital is omitted, profit and loss adjustment account added to partner's capital. Maybe A is capital, to B is capital. We have to write the value of interest on capital. So here we have opened profit and loss adjustment account to adjust the value omitted, maybe interest on capital or salary to a partner or commission to a partner. So the next item may be the omission of interest on drawings. Here also we have to work out the amounts of omitted item which are to be debited to partner's capital account, such as interest on drawings. Then we have to pass an adjusting entry, separate adjusting entry for each partner individually. Partner's capital account added to profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account. That means it is credited in the profit and loss adjustment account. So we have to pass these entries. After passing the entries, the balance of profit and loss. So first of all, we will write the items like interest on capital of partner, partner's salary, partner's commission, etc. on the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account, and interest on drawings on the partner's profit and loss adjustment account credit side. Then the difference, the balance of the profit and loss adjustment account as worked out in point 4 above is transferred to, the balance amount will be transferred to partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Thus, the profit and loss adjustment account will be stand closed. There will be no different values. It will be transferred to, balance figure will be transferred to partner's capital account. If the balance is profit, entry will be profit and loss adjustment account added to partner's capital. Means it is credited in the capital account. Profit and loss adjustment account added to partner's capital account. We will share in the capital account as per their profit sharing ratio. If the balance is loss, partner's capital account added to profit and loss adjustment. So this is the way we have to adjust whatever it may be the items omitted by passing entries separately for each item omitted in the books of accounts. Hope it is very clear for you. Then we have to solve one problem to know more about how to write the adjusting entries for each and every item. Here is the question. Asha and Bonnie are partners in a firm sharing profits equally. Their capital account as on 31st December 2000 showed a balance of 60,000 and 50,000. So Asha's capital balance at the end of the year 60,000 and Bonnie's 50,000. After taking into profit of the year 2000, which amounted to rupees 20,000, it was subsequently found that the following items have been left. So the profit is shared, it is equally shared, but they didn't take on the following items. What are they? The partners were entitled to interest on capital 6% per annum. So it is not taken into account. Interest on capital is not taken. The drawings of Asha and Bonnie were 8,000 and 6,000. And the interest on drawings was also to be charged 5% per annum. It is also not taken into account. Asha was entitled to salary of rupees 5,000 and Bonnie a commission of rupees 2,000 for the whole year. So it also not taken. Asha's salary and Bonnie's commission is also not taken into account. It was decided to make the necessary adjustment to record the above omissions, give the necessary journal entries, and prepare the profit and loss adjustment account and partners capital account. So, dear students, we are going to learn how to prepare the journal entries separately, how to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account, and how to close the partner's capital account with the adjusted items, adjusting entries. So, first of all, we have to learn how to calculate the item and how to write the entries. So, in this problem also, the capital at the end of the year is given. We have to find out the opening capital first. So capital at the end of the year, Asha rupees 60,000, Boni 50,000. Profit is deducted, so less share of profit. 20,000 is shared equally here, 10,000 and 10,000. Then we have to add drawings. Asha's drawings 8,000, Boni's drawings 6,000. Dear students, then we will get the value of capital at the beginning 58,000 and 46,000. So, interest on capital is charged 6% per annum. Asha's interest on capital is equal to 58,000 into 6 by 100. The value is 3,480. And Boni's opening capital 46,000 into 6 by 100. Interest on capital is equal to 2,760. Also, we have to find out interest on drawings. So, Asha's drawings per month per year is 8,000 into 5. Why we are taking 6 for 6 months? The date of drawing is not given. So, the average period will be 6 by 12. The date of drawing is not given and the interest 5% per annum is given. We have to take the average period as 6 by 12. So 8,000 into 5 by 100 into 6 by 12, amount 200. Bond is 6,000 into 5 by 100 into 6 by 12. So we will get rupees 150 as the interest on drawings. Then we are going to write the adjusting journal entries separately. So first entry is for the interest on capital, profit and loss adjustment account letter to Asha's capital to Boni's capital. The amount is written here. Asha's interest on capital 3,480, Boni's interest on capital 2,760. Like the same entry for Asha's salary, Boni's commission. You can write it separately. Profit and loss adjustment account letter to Asha's capital, amount 5,000, 5,000. Profit and loss adjustment account letter to Boni's capital for the commission, 2,000, 2,000. Also, we have to write the adjusting entry for drawings, interest on drawings. So, Asha's capital, Boni's capital to profit and loss adjustment account. The interest on drawings amount transferred to profit and loss adjustment account. That is 2,200 and 150, total 3,350. Then we have find out the difference in the profit and loss adjustment account, that is 12,890. It will be shared equally. The amount of sharing is 6,445. The amount is loss. The amount balance in profit and loss adjustment account is loss, and it will be shared in between the partners Asha and Boni equally. So amount of loss will be 6,445. This is the adjusting entry separately passed for each item omitted in the partner's capital or profit and loss appropriation. Next, we have to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account from the entries. So, the interest on capital for each partner is written here, 6,240. Then we have recorded Asha's capital entry 5,000, Boni's capital 2,000. Also, interest on drawing is recorded here 350, and the difference comes in the credit side. So, amount of loss divided in between the partners equal. So this is the way to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account. Then we will write all the items, all the single entries in the partner's capital account. We are going to record all the items from the profit and loss adjustment account to the partner's capital account for rectifying the error. It will be done at the end of the financial year. So please look at the entries. First we are writing the opening capital. The opening capital 60,000 and 50,000. Then we are writing the profit and loss adjusted value, the interest on capital 3,480, the interest on capital 2,760, then profit and loss value, salary adjustment value 5,000, also the commission of bonding. Here on this side, debit side, interest on drawings 200, 150, and the value of loss in profit and loss adjustment account, that is shared by the partners equally 6,445, and the difference value is their closing capital or the capital balance at the end of the year 61,835, and for Bonnie 48,165. So this is the way how to write the adjustment entries separately, and also how to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account, and also how to transfer the entries from profit and loss adjustment account to partners capital account for rectifying the errors for the omitted items. Dear students, we can do the same problem based on the previous method. Let us look how it will be if we are doing the values of profit and loss adjustment account. Means the items recorded in the profit and loss adjustment account taken into the adjustment table and preparing a single adjusting entry to rectify the error. What will be the capital account balance? There will be no change in the capital account balance, but only the method is changing. You will get the same balances if you are doing the adjustment in the as per the first method. Let us look at it. So here is the analysis adjusting table. We are writing first what are maybe the items to be credited in partners capital. So interest on capital amount is here. It is included in this amount, and salary of Asha, bond is interest on capital plus amount of commission of bonding, that is 4,760. Also, amount debited include their share of loss plus interest on drawings of Asha. So 6,445 is the share of loss plus interest on drawings 200. Here 6,445 plus interest on drawings on 50. And we are finding out the difference between these values. Asha is getting a credit value of 1,835, Bonnie 1,835 debit balance. We are writing the adjusting entry, Bonnie's capital account debtor to Asha's capital 1,830. Then we are posting the adjusting entry to the capital account. So after recording the adjusting entry, the partner's capital account will be like this. Opening balance 6,000, 50,000. The adjusting entry, Bonnie's capital 1,835 to Asha's capital 1,835. And the balance will be the same as per the previous. Just look at 61,835. Here also 61,835. And for Bonnie 48,165. Look at this, 48,000 and 165. My dear students, it's very important area. You will never forget to pass the adjusting entry, maybe separately or a single adjusting entry. Please watch this video in full. Also, don't forget to watch the previous video related to the same topic. You will get maximum awareness by solving more problems from the textbook also. So don't forget to watch these type of videos, and also please share this video with your friends. They will also enrich their knowledge. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much.